an Chircín Bheag Rua, ach lagan le Brenda Parks agus Judith Smith, agus Lara G le Mary Davey. This version is by Brenda Parks and Judith Smith, and the illustrations are by Mary Davey. Chircín Bheag Rua canig an Chircín Bheag Rua granin crynneachta. Curry me an granin crynneachta seo sa talú sise. Hui si hegan laca. Waitla codulum an shiel seo a chur sa talú. Níor wai sa an laca. Tá rodí ella le Janu agam. One fine day in spring, the little red hen came across a grain of wheat. I will put this little grain of wheat in its ground, she said. She went to the duck. Would you like to help me sow this seed in the ground? I would not, said the duck. Ta ruddy ella le Janu agam, I've something else to do. Hui she hegan wadu. White lad codulum and shiel shaw chursa talu. Near why ersa and wadu. Ta ruddy ella le Janu agam. She went to the dog. Would you like to help me sow this seed in the ground? I would not, said the dog. I have other things to do. Hui she hegan cat. White lad codulum and shiel shaw chursa talu. Near why ersa and cat. Ta ruddy ella le Janu agam. She went to the cat. Would you like me to sow the seed in the ground, she said. I would not, said the cat. I have other things to do. Hui she hegan wok. White lad codulum and shiel shaw a chursa talu. Near why ersa and wok. Ta ruddy ella le Janu agam. She went to the pig. Would you like to help me sow the seed in the ground? I would not, said the pig. Ta ruddy ella le Janu agam, I've other things to be doing. Curry me fian san Chircín Bheag Rua, rudder she. I will sow it myself, said the little red hen, and that's what she did. Das an crynneach go hard go gee go ro she ray le winch. Whitelif codulum and crynneach the winch, san Chircín Bheag Rua. Near why sa an laca. Near why sa an wadu. Near why sa an cat. Near why sa an wok. The wheat grew high until it was ready to cut. Would you like to help me cut the wheat, said the little red hen. I would not, said the duck. I would not, said the dog. I would not, said the cat. I would not, said the pig. Jan he may fian ersa an Chircín Bheag Rua, rud a rinshi. I will do it myself, said the little red hen, and she just did that. Vi an crynneach ray le chorchig an willen, whitelif codulum an crynneach de chorchig an willen, ersa an Chircín Bheag Rua. Near why ersa an waka. Near why ersa an wadu. Near why ersa an cat. Near why ersa an wok. The wheat was ready to take to the mill. Would you like to help me take the wheat to the mill, said the little red hen. I would not, said the duck. I would not, said the dog. I would not like to, said the cat. I would not like to, said the pig. Jan he may fian san Chircín Bheag Rua, rudder and she. Well then I'll do it myself, said the little red hen, and that's just what she did. Hogue she go gee and mullen, she took it to the mill. Nura hannig she arash lesh and plur shisha, whitelif codulum and tara na yanu. When she came back with the flour, she said, would you like to help me make the bread? Near why san laca. Near why san wadu. Near why san cat. Agus near why san wok. I would not like to, said the duck. I would not like to, said the dog. I would not like to, said the cat. I would not like to, said the muck. Jan he may fian san Chircín Bheag Rua, Rud a rin she. Well, then I will make it myself, said the little red hen, and she just did that. Rivawad vi an taran ray le bacail, while of codulum an taran a vacail san Chircín Bheag Rua. Near why sa an laka, near why san madu, near why san cat, near why san muck. Soon the bread was ready to bake. Would you like to help me bake the bread, said the little red hen. I would not like to, said the duck. I would not like to, said the dog. I would not like to, said the cat. And I would not like to, said the pig. Jan he me fianne san Chircín Bheag Rua, rudder and she. Nur a vian taran ray, hoog she ama as an ayane. Dag she an tabla vi she ray raw he go foil. I will make it myself, said the little red hen, and that's what she did. And when the bread was ready, she took it out of the oven. She left it on the table because it was still too hot. Nur a bhí taran ré le hithe sise, whitelev codulum an taran a ihe. When the bread's ready to eat, she said, would you like to help me eat the bread? Ba why sa an laka. Ba why sa an madu. Ba why sa an cat. Ba why sa an wuk. When the bread is ready to eat, she said, would you like to help me eat the bread? Oh, I would, said the duck. Oh, I would, said the dog. And I would like to, said the cat. And I would like to, said the pig. Jan he me fianne san Chircín Bheag Rua. I will eat it myself, said the little red hen. Le him agus su with bread and butter. Agus rud a rin she. That's just what she did. And Jeru, the end. So fuair she and Jilt the sama na hamviha Ella. She got, didn't she, boys and girls? She got revenge in the end by just eating it herself. Agus sin and rud a rin she. That's just what she did. Leis an le su chríomh with the blackberry jam, agus an mill and honey, agus bhí sé aonta blasta. Seo Jerry leis an scíal ar an seachtain seo, agus the súlagam go méid sibh an a lanúint, agus teachta se leis na príomh líonte tar éis an múnseoir, agus tar éis lom ó fastí. So I hope now that you've enjoyed this version of our story this week, and to be able to come in on the principal lines after teacher when we read it together in class arish. Guramaigh, slán.